gliding through the gentle breeze. Scooter racing, zooming fast, making memories that will last. Building castles in the sand, working together hand in hand. Round and round the merry-go-round, smiles and giggles all around. Picnic time beneath the tree, sharing treats so happily. New friends join us, what a sight. Every moment feels so bright.